The day stands still. I'm between this and that. When things go wrong, I pretend that the past isn't real. I'm trapped in this memory, and I'm left in the wake of the mistake, slow to react even though you're.
He said to her, I'd like a cheeseburger, and I might like a milkshake as well.
Close to me, you're still so distant, I can't bring you back. It's true.
To him, I can't give you either. And he said, isn't this Burger Bell? She said, yes it is, but we're closed now. But we open tomorrow at 10. He said, I am extremely hungry, but I guess I can wait until then.
Go, can I go? Gotta be what an nightmare made me. Gotta be what I say. Clear the five parts from me. How far will they go? Will they go? Get what you want me, baby. Just let it go. Bring me down, bring me down.
'Cause you're his cheeseburger, his yummy cheeseburger. He'll wait for you, ooh, yeah, he'll wait for you, ooh. Oh, you are his cheeseburger, his tasty cheeseburger. He'll wait for you, ooh.
Bring me down to the grill, sweet baby. Bring me down to the grill. Let it go!